the electrode potential of zinc electrode or half reaction of oxidation. This is the electrochemical series. This is very important to know that which one is a stronger oxidizing agent and which one is a stronger reducing agent. Here we can see that the ions which have highest value of negative standard electrode potential, minus 3.04, lithium ion. Lithium ion is the stronger reducing agent. It means the ions which have negative standard electrode potential have a stronger reducing agent, and the molecules which have positive value, for example 2.87 for fluorine. Hence fluorine acts as a stronger oxidizing agent. So we can remember it for important elements or ions. For example, zinc 2 plus, the value is minus 0.76 volt. Fe2 plus, the value is minus 0.45 volt, and hydrogen H plus, the value is 0.0 volt, as we have already discussed it. And for H2O, here the reaction of H2O is O2 plus 4H plus 4 electrons to give 2H2O, and the value of electrode potential is 1.23. So we can remember it, standard reduction potential at 25 degrees Celsius. This table is based on the 25 degrees Celsius only. Now, electrochemical cells. When selecting two half cell reactions, the more negative value will form the oxidation half cell. Consider the reaction between zinc and silver. For example, silver Ag plus. As we know that as per the electrochemical series, Ag plus ion have 0.80 volt standard electrode potential, and zinc 2 plus ion have minus 0.76 volt electrode potential. Therefore, zinc forms the oxidation half cell. More negative value will act as a oxidation or anode. Hence, here zinc acts as a anode, and at anode oxidation will takes place. Means zinc will give electrons and converted into Zn2 plus ions. The value is E standard is minus 0.76 volt, and the value of E standard cell is related to the thermodynamic quantities of Gibbs free energy and K. Spontaneity of a reaction. The value of E standard cell is related to the change in Gibbs free energy at standard condition is given by the following expression. Delta G in standard condition is minus NFE not cell. Here N is number of electrons and F is Faraday's constant. E naught cell potential in standard condition. The value of K is related to delta G standard is given by this expression. The expression is delta G standard is minus RT ln K. Here R is gas constant, T is temperature in Kelvin, K is equilibrium constant, F is Faraday's constant, and these two reactions can combine with each other and we can get minus NFE cell is equals to minus RT ln K, and that rearranged at 25 degrees Celsius to give E naught cell. E naught cell is equals to 0.0257 upon N ln K, or E naught cell is equals to 0.0592 upon N log K. This is the very important for calculation purposes. Here N number of moles or electrons, F 96500 coulombs. 96500 coulombs is for calculation purpose only. Then the most important part of electrochemistry is the Nernst equation. Nernst equation, as we know that cell potential can be modified by temperature and composition changes according to the equation. Delta G is equals to delta G in standard plus RT ln K. Here and minus NFE is equals to minus NFE cell in standard condition plus RT ln K. These are the a combination of two reactions. Here giving that E is equals to E naught minus RT upon NF ln K. Here E is potential of electrode, E naught is standard potential, and R is molar gas constant, T is temperature in Kelvin, N is number of electrons involved in reaction. It may be loss of electron or gaining of electron, because the reaction occurs in redox reactions. F is Faraday's constant 96500 coulomb, K equilibrium constant. So we can use this reaction or this expression for calculation purpose only. This is the most important expression or reaction which will be helpful in solving the problems. Therefore, the value of R is 8.314 joule per kilomole per Kelvin mole. Temperature is 298 Kelvin. 298 Kelvin. This is the room temperature. Faraday's 96500 coulomb. Putting the values, E is equals to E naught minus 0.0592 upon N log K. This is the expression in the form of log K. The Nernst equation. Particularly important use of the Nernst equation is in the electrochemical determination of the pH. We can calculate pH by the help of Nernst equation. For standard electrode potential or inert electrode, platinum we can use, and this platinum electrode is arranged with reference electrode. Reference electrode will be taken as cathode. Here E cell is equals to E half reaction cell of hydrogen plus E reference. The Nernst equation can be applied to the half reaction of hydrogen. Hydrogen gas molecule converted into two atoms of hydrogen by giving two electrons. For the half reaction, hydrogen will give two hydrogen ions plus two electrons, and we can write the Nernst equation for this reaction. This is a half reaction. Nernst equation for hydrogen electrode is E standard for hydrogen minus 0.0592 volt upon N log the concentration of H plus ion is 2 mole. Hence, log concentration of H plus ions to the power 2 upon pressure of hydrogen gas. And standard cell potential is 0 volt for this reaction, and standard hydrogen electrode pressure of hydrogen is 1 atmosphere. So we can get this reaction if the values are putting in this reaction. And then 0 volt minus 0.0592 volt upon N log concentration of H plus to the power 2. The Nernst equation overall potential is given by the E cell equals to 0.0592 volt pH plus E reference, which rearranged to give an equation for the determination of pH. So E cell minus E reference upon 0.0592 volt is equals to pH. Hence, from this relation we can easily find the pH of the. Okay, that's all for first part of electrochemistry. We will discuss second part of electrochemistry in next video, and assignment will be issued separately. Thank you.